Happy Thanksgiving! There are 3 things you should never talk about when sitting around the table having dinner on Thanksgiving. 1 is politics, the other, the great pumpkin. The third, I never shy away from. Religion. That's right, today's cocktail is the Presbyterian. But before we get started, let's all bow our heads and fill ourselves with the fruit of the spirits. Wow, I believe I'm more kind and gentle now. Church is all about lessons and teachings. I would say this is the one place that taught me how to lie. Now, different denominations view what I do here differently. If you're a Catholic, you gather with your brothers and your sisters and drink during worship. If you're a Presbyterian, you openly admit to drinking, but only after church. If you're a Baptist, you hide in a corner and secretly get drunk before church. And then what happens after that, you call speaking in tongues. 2 ounces of bourbon. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Today's shot is larceny. Comes from a friend of mine, although I can't remember his name. His name is Adam. Larceny. Isn't that a sin? Equal parts ginger ale and club soda. And just like any good religion, it needs to be watered down. I like to garnish mine with star anise, then straw it. And that is the Presbyterian. Today's word of wisdom is fellowship. When someone says, let's fellowship, what they really mean is, let's hang out together. But because those 2 people go to church together, they feel the need to over-spiritualize the moment, even if the moment just happens to be sitting on a couch watching the ball game. We've all met these people. They're the same people that end every sentence with, Lord willing, and God bless. I'm not saying these flavors are wrong per se. I'm saying that in most instances, they're an act, a show, a lie. This Thanksgiving, don't say what you're doing is fellowshipping around the table or gathering with kith and kin. Just eat the damn meal. Damn. Thanks.
Yep.